In this video, I will be showing you how to add a horizontal line in Canva. Let's get started. To begin, from the Canva homepage, I go to the top left and click on the Create a Design button. From the drop-down list, I choose the Instagram Post 4x5 option to open up a clean, blank canvas in the editor. Once the project opens, I click on the canvas to select it, then click the background color box on the top toolbar. I scroll through the default solid colors and pick this vibrant pink shade to give the background a nice pop of color. Next, I head over to the left-hand sidebar and open the Elements tab. From the Recently Used section, I click on this watercolor pink bow element to add it to the canvas. I use the corner handles to resize it slightly and drag it up toward the top half. Then, I scroll down in the Elements list, click on the fluffy cherry bow graphic, resize it to match, and place it directly underneath the ribbon so both elements are neatly arranged. Now, to divide the layout, I return to the Elements menu on the left. I scroll down to Browse Categories and click on Shapes. Under the Lines section, I click on the basic straight line. The line immediately appears on the canvas. I click and drag the outer anchor points on both the left and right sides to stretch the line horizontally across the entire width of the page. With the line still selected, I look at the top editing toolbar to customize it. I click on the stroke color icon and change the line color from dark to crisp white. Then, I click on the line style icon right next to it to open the stroke settings. I drag the stroke weight slider up to 12 to make the line thicker and much more visible. Lastly, I drag the horizontal line up and down to center it evenly between the two graphics, letting Canva's smart guides snap it into place. I click outside the canvas to deselect it and view the finished layout. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to add a horizontal line in Canva.